Have you ever wondered how long it will be before a robot is doing your chores? As you sip your morning coffee, imagine a world where a humanoid robot is tidying up your home, washing the dishes, and even doing your laundry. This isn't a mere figment of science fiction. It's a reality that's being shaped by innovative companies like Sanctuary AI. Today we delve into the story of Sanctuary AI and their humanoid robot, Phoenix. Sanctuary AI, based in Vancouver, is at the forefront of developing humanoid robots that can understand and execute human commands. They're not just creating robots, they're creating synthetic humans. At the helm of this endeavor is CEO Jordi Rose, who firmly believes that the labor market is the biggest arena for this product. Their flagship creation, Phoenix, is a testament to this belief. Phoenix isn't your ordinary robot. It's a humanoid that strives to grasp and respond to human instructions, a feat that's easier said than done. The world of robotics has long been grappling with teaching robots to navigate the physical world and understand context and consequences. Yet, Phoenix is a beacon of progress in this challenging endeavor. But Sanctuary AI isn't alone in this race. Powerhouses like Dyson and Tesla are also heavily investing in AI and robotics for household chores. The development of humanoid robots is experiencing a rapid acceleration, primarily due to advancements in artificial intelligence. Yet, the journey is far from over. The road to a future where humanoid robots are commonplace is filled with hurdles. Teaching robots to comprehend the physical world and understand context and consequences is no easy feat. Despite the challenges, the dream of humanoid robots filling job vacancies and aiding in our daily lives is a tangible possibility. To sum up, Sanctuary AI and their humanoid robot Phoenix are leading the charge in making robots a part of our everyday lives. The labor market is ripe for this technological revolution, and advancements in AI are rapidly accelerating the pace of development. Despite the obstacles, the future where a robot could be doing your chores isn't as far off as it might seem. So the next time you're doing your chores, take a moment to imagine a world where a robot like Phoenix is there to lend a hand. It's a future that's closer than you think, thanks to the vision and innovation of companies like Sanctuary AI. Thank you for tuning in to explore the fascinating world of AI with us. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest trends and insights in artificial intelligence, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content that empowers and educates, so let's keep the conversation going.